Welcome to Module 3. Now, this is quite exciting because if you finish Module 2, you've almost finalized your space planning and you've got an idea of your layout and elevation. That's amazing because now we get into the fun part. Of course, for the fun part, there are a few things we need to know. So let's see. This module is all about materials and mood board. Now, I do know this is one of the most favorite topics, especially creating the mood board aspects. Many people love this topic. And what are we doing in this topic here? We're discussing the different materials required for your bathroom renovations. We're going to talk about different finishes that's available, identify the various options, make a selection of the finishes, go for then discuss our color choices, and finally put them together to prepare a cohesive mood board. So I break down again with the selection depending on how you need to select. I've broken it down to wall and floor cladding, fitting selection, tapware fitting selection, color selection, and finally the mood board. So I've broken it down to 5 chapters just to make it easier for you. In the first one, floor and wall cladding, we'll analyze the different options available. We'll look at the pros and cons, and you can start thinking on what is your preferred choices. Second, when we come to the fittings, again, analyze different options, the pros and cons, look at your preferred finishes. Now, most of these you can actually sit in your space and have a look at online options. And once you've kind of figured what you're out, you can actually go out in store and have a look at them personally. So I have given you some hints and tips on which stores you can look around. Now, this is mainly for people in Australia. These terms will be similar. For people doing from other places, one, you can let me know in the Facebook group which place you are, then I can probably do a bit of research and get back to you. Or if you know your local suppliers, you can always get down there and have a look at the materials and finishes. Then we come to chapter 3, which is about tapware. Chapter 4 is all about colors. And then finally, chapter 5, we put them together and create your mood board. So by the end of it, you would have identified and selected your necessary materials and finishes. You would have selected your color palette and you would have your mood board ready. So are you ready to dive into the first chapter? Come on, let's go. See you there.